Dixie water heater. We got the vent. There's water inside of this vent, and about right here starting to come out. This up here is dry. This is wet. Water's coming down around, hitting these lips right here and dripping in the bucket. You can see it coming out right there. It's a nice steady stream. Installed by Dixie. New water heater. So on this one, the outside is dry. That's the water heater. Then we have a different story. This is the HVAC, recently installed. Also Dixie. Right under here, on this vent here, plywood's coming apart because water is coming right through this outside of the vent, on this outside wall of the chimney. It's hitting underneath this part right here. It's coming down and it is hitting my floor. I talked to the Dixie representative that was in my house a few months back, and he told me that something along the lines of this was normal and ask a roofer. And when I asked the roofer, they said talk to a chimney expert. And when I talked to the chimney guy, he said talk to the plumbers that put it in originally. Now this roof is basically too steep for me to get up and down. It's on a 9, you know, so I could make my way up there and try to do it, but it's pretty steep. So I got 2 Dixie jobs, both leaking, in buckets in my house on recent installs. That's the story.